What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I recently installed a bed on the back of the Nissan Pathfinder, my budget stealth camper SUV build, and that actually took away a lot of storage space for the back of the SUV, since there's a bed there and clothes storage under the bed. There's not really too many places where I can put luggage. So today I'm going to be installing a Harbor Freight roof rack on top of the vehicle. Hopefully that creates enough extra storage space.
The basket was actually only $90. Sometimes you can even find a Harbor Freight coupon to get it even cheaper. Quality is actually pretty decent. I put it together just to get a general idea of the size. I'm probably going to take these Hallmaster decals off though, just to clean it up. Be very careful using box cutters. Here's some of the hardware that came with the roof rack kit. The brackets that go on top, along with the brackets that sandwich it in place, that go at the bottom of the rail. The tightness of it is actually adjustable with these knobs. These are the rubber covers that go over the hardware, this hardware, that you use to screw things together and keep the basket fully secured. The rubber sleeve will go on top of the hardware as it shows right here. You install the hardware first and then you slide the sleeve on top. The sleeves go over the hardware to protect it from the elements so it doesn't rust easily or fall out. And to get rid of the sticker residue over here, we are using some Goo Gone. Just spray it on top and wipe it down with a paper towel. First step to install the brackets is to snap the plastic blocks in place from the bottom, and then you put the metal portion on top. And you don't need to tighten anything else right now. It'd still be able to slide left and right to position it in the general area you want it to be.
First step for install is to loosen the factory roof rails on your vehicle and slide them closer together. Then put the roof rack basket on top and carefully align the roof rails with the mounting pads on the roof rack. Make sure that all four corners of the roof rack are even with the roof rails. Once the basket is exactly where you want it, lock the roof rails in place. Now it's time to secure the roof rack onto the roof rails. Put the metal brackets on top of the mounting pads. There are dowels that'll keep it centered. Fish the threaded clamp through the bottom side of the roof rails. Then secure it loosely by installing both knobs in place. Tighten each knob a couple threads at a time to make sure that both sides are sitting evenly. These are just hand tight. There's no need to bring tools out for this. Repeat the same exact steps on all 4 corners. Once you have all 4 brackets secured, move the basket to make sure that it doesn't slide back and forth from the rails. And you're all done. Hopefully the roof rack has enough room under it for me to mount the Renogy solar panel, which I'm gonna actually be installing tomorrow, along with the refrigerator and the Jackery extension cable, brackets and whatnot. So if you are interested in keeping up with this project, consider subscribing to my channel, check out my other videos. But for today, this is gonna be it. Thank you for watching.